In the Eden I'd like to build, there's a wealth of library nooks. There are thousands of shelves, all of them filled with an ordinary display of books. And least the number appall, even one most bookishly willed. There's a wildness of leisure to read them all. In the Eden I'd like to build. In the Eden I'm willing to make, there's a woman loving and fair. The world is aglow for her beauty's sake. Her presence blesses the air. Yet often there comes to me this thought like a hissing snake. Will the books and the woman's perchance agree in the Eden I'm wanting to make?
I hope I'm as happy as her someday.